Hello guys, welcome to this video. Is Warmwind world's first AI operating system? We're going to talk about it in this video. Warmwind OS is an intriguing evolution of automation, visual, flexible, and user-centric. Its OS label is metaphorical but intentional, reflecting a new paradigm where AI agents run persistent, autonomous workflows in the cloud. It's a promising early product with strong attention to privacy, simplicity, and applicability for businesses, but still early in its journey. Whether it truly lives up to being a full AI operating system, it remains part of an open and evolving discussion. So yes, Warmwind may be the first platform built as an AI native operating system, but it does not resemble a traditional desktop or mobile OS. Instead, it operates as a visual cloud-first automation environment that behaves more like a digital workforce than a local operating system. If you are expecting a fully local OS with a kernel, drivers, and hardware interface on your personal device, it's not that. If you are looking for a powerful no-code way to automate business workflows across platforms, especially for SMEs, Warmwind could be compelling. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, like and subscribe. See you.